Yes. I see you're still watching. So now we continue with the slime. This is how it comes out. If you're a girl and you like this slime, comment and I'll give you the name of it. And if you didn't watch the first video, I'll give you the name just in case. It's called... Wait, what is it called? It's called Magnetic Slime. Oh, it's... For the people that watched the first video, it's not Elmer's slime. It's magnetic slime. Not Elmer's. Elmer's is the company. Yeah, I messed up a lot. And this is the blue that I was talking about in the first video. And I made this yesterday, so it's a little mushy. So I'm gonna start activating it. And what do you mean by activating it? I'm not gonna put more activator in. I'm gonna stretch it. That's how you activate slime that already has activator. It's really easy because all you need to make it is a spoon, a tablespoon, spatula that does not have holes. This one. Ah. What's happening? This kind of spatula, activator, a bowl, and especially some glue. That's the whole purpose. It's glue, and the recipe is glue, activator, and then you put all the glue out, 5 ounces of the whole bottle. You put all the glue out, and then this is what I mean by the whole bottle, this kind of size. So, you need that whole entire bottle out. Then you put some activator. Then you pour out the whole entire bottle, that's 5 ounces. Then you put some activator in. Then you mix that up. Then after a couple minutes, you keep putting activator in little by little. And in 2 days, I'm going to record me painting this nutcracker. Even though it's not Christmas time, I'm just going to paint this for this year, 2025. And if I didn't make your 2025 video, Happy New Year. Okay. Now what you've been waiting for. A slime. I rate this an 8 out of 10. The reason it's an 8 is because when it dries, it gets really hard. And when there's too much moisture, in it, it gets too sticky. It gets really sticky. Like when you first make it, it gets that sticky. So, and I rate the colors a 10 out of 10. So, It's a 19 out of 20. No, an 18 out of 20. So that's good. So Elmer's company, if you're watching this, tell me if you like that rating, because I know you're getting it. You want a 20 out of 20, but it's 18 because that happens. And the moment you've all been waiting for. Now, if you're not a fan, you can click off. I'm going to be sponsoring a couple different companies right now. The first company is the Savoy at Fort Lauderdale. My mom used to work there. The second company is Simply Nature. Super good for you. All natural ingredients, and each of the Simply Nature products is free from over 125 of artificial ingredients. And when it comes to eating well, the choice is Simply Nature. And Mr. Beast, yeah, Mr. Beast. So I'm gonna be showing you this. It's funny. Where did the ball go? Okay, it's hard to stand this up. These two, that one and that one, they need something to stand them up. That's why there's something behind them. So look, they're all in a fight for Simply Nature Fruit Punch. And there's also one more product I need to sponsor. It's still Mr. Beast, but Mr. Beast Feastables. They're the best chocolate on earth. Super good. And also, before you open the packet, turn it to the back, scan the QR code, and if you're lucky enough, Mr. Beast, you could watch Mr. Beast. You could tell them what you want, what flavors you want, and stuff. Oh, our neighbor's house has a lot of stuff, Mom. Our neighbor's house has a lot of stuff like bikes, strollers, chairs, tables, I think, and bikes, more bikes. I think they're having a garage sale. So, yeah. Oh, this is more funny. This is more funny for the fight in Mr. Beast. Look. Oh, it fell. All of these are looking for that, but they won't just look up. I love snuggling with their bears.